What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, December 29th, 2019. A sensational Bitcoin pattern with a potential breakout to 10,700. Thank you, Litecoin Moses, for that adjective. That's a great adjective, by the way, for this video. Let's face it, everybody on crypto YouTube, crypto Twitter, everybody's getting bored. Everybody wants a breakout. There's a falling wedge on the screen that you see that we've been tracking. It's pretty clear, lower lows, lower highs since summer. People are getting fed up. People are losing patience. I get it. But there's a pattern in play that I want to dig into. And while we'll keep tracking this falling wedge you see on the screen with a breakout target of around $12,000 to the upside, to the downside around $4,500, the volatility is so much in play as we trade just below this 50 moving average on the daily chart. There's a pattern, if we zoom in a little bit, that we might get some shorter term perspective. And that is this head and shoulders that I talked about, I think on Twitter. I'm not even sure if I covered this much on the YouTube channel, but we have this left shoulder back in October. We have a head in November, and December we have this right shoulder. Now, the pattern, the sensational pattern setup that could be in play right now with the $10,700 breakouts right up to here is this. It is the head and shoulders, but it's the head and shoulders failing to confirm. And so we have these touches at the neckline down here. The right shoulder has been formed down here. This was mid-December, 10 days ago or so. And we actually bounced off of that neckline, which is very typical, right? To get support at the neckline to come up and then kind of break through that neckline is very typical for Bitcoin. So please be aware of that. Obviously, there's a breakout target to the downside for that around $4,500. And that could be essentially the falling wedge breakout as well. So we have a nice target to the downside, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about if this head and shoulders fails. Something to keep an eye on. We are in an extremely critical zone right now with a price range from where Bitcoin trades to the 50 moving average of like 2%. And that 50 moving average tells the story over and over again for Bitcoin. So over the next day or so, couple days, keep an eye. Is Bitcoin going to break above that on the daily chart? More importantly, will we get a close above it? If Bitcoin closes above this 50 moving average and we get this little turn in this 50 moving average or consolidation, this is the price to break. This is what you want to see Bitcoin break. It's around $7,800, $7,900. That is the high of this right shoulder. That is the confirmation of a broken, or not a broken, but a failed head and shoulders with a target, which is the height of this neckline to the head from that top of that right shoulder, 10,700. That's what I'm looking at. That's a pattern. That is something for you to watch. This is not hype. This is if you want that breakout, if you want to see the breakout. Bitcoin hits pattern targets so often, right? This takes patience. This isn't something that's going to happen like tomorrow. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow, but it's not like this is an immediate thing. So you have to be patient in pattern setups like this. I wanted to share it with you. It's just one thing of the many indicators and things that I'm watching on Bitcoin. If you're here right now, you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Would love to have you as part of the channel. Hit the like button on your way out. I hope you have an awesome rest of your Sunday. I will see you in the next video. God bless.